welcome back to my channel Lifestyle with Rekha Goyal. And I hope, I pray you all are good at your home. So this is my video based on unboxing of Oriflame product. Yes, you know, I mentioned on my bio that I am brand partner of Oriflame. So I have received my order. So this is let's see what is in this box. So this is my bill which I have received from this box. So keep away this. Yes. So I open my first product which I have received. Yes, this is soap. Everybody use this soap, and really this is very awesome soap because I have ordered two soaps. Now two soaps of this is the name of Milk Honey Gold Soften Creamy Soap Bar, and really my kids love this smell. And I will show you. I will open it. See, it's so handy and very nice. So lovely product because I have used one bar. And another thing is, yes, another one is again soap. Actually this is really very nice soap. You can see, I think you can see. Yes, this is a Oriflame Sweden Love Nature soap bar, antibiotic, neem and basil. And my son, you have met him before video, and he loved this soap. I can open it. I can show you. Open it. See, marvelous size and shape, and my kid loved this shape because it's a leaf shape, and wow, nice smell. So very nice. And my third product is, yes, you can see, this is face wash with vitamin E and B3, and its name is Glow Essential Face Wash, which is based on for all skin. This is perfect for all type of skins and dermatology. So yes, this is good for all type of skin. Face wash, very nice. Even I can show you. Ouch. Oops. So creamy texture. Lovely. And yeah, this is you can see, this is sunscreen. Name is Sunzone, and this is 50 SPF UV प्रोटेक्टर. जो रेज हमारे सन रेज से हमारी स्किन बर्न हो जाती है, उससे ये बचाता है आपको. सो यू बी यूज सनस्क्रीन. ओके, so very nice. You can see 50 SPF. I hope you can see. No. Other thing says, this is, you see what is this? It's a tender care protecting balm. और ये बहुत ही अच्छा ऑफ़र इस मंथ था क्योंकि ये बाय वन गेट वन फ्री था. एक प्राइस में आपको दो मिलेंगे, जो कि मेरे बेबीज़ ने, मेरे बच्चों ने एक इसको यूज़ कर लिया बिकॉज दे कांट कंट्रोल देयर फीलिंग. मम्मा आई गिव मी, आप बाद में वीडियो बनाना बट एक तो दे दो, यू हैव टू. तो मैंने कहा ओके बेटा, ओके. सो आई विल जस्ट ओपन. दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस इन शेप एंड कलर. सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट इज़. यू कैन सी. I will show, open it. How cool shape देखो कैसे नहीं अट्रैक्ट करेगा. It's very nice balm. You can apply in your eyebrows to make it thick, and when you have some spots you can apply it as a. This is very nice. Even my kids are using every day, and they also play like this. See, Mama, let's see, small pot shape. Yes, another is, see, lipstick, and really I love this color when I saw in picture, and I couldn't control my to order it. This is very lovely. You can see the color. I will show review in separate video. I can show you a little bit. Just in my hand I will apply. See, color, nice color. So this is lipstick. It's the One Lip Sensations Matte Velvet. And another thing I ordered, which is very important for me, actually this is my first experience also, and these are, I will show you what is this in this pack. See, skincare, CTM. You know, everybody knows CTM, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So in this pack, this is cleanser, ऑप्टिमल्स का क्लींजर है ये, क्लियर वाइटनिंग लाइटिंग क्लींजिंग फॉर्म क्रीम बेस्ड क्लींजर है, जो कि आपको फेस वॉश की जगह आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड रियली इट इज़ वेरी ऑसम बिकॉज आई यूज्ड फ्रॉम लास्ट 5 days and I feel so confident in my skin, and I will show a separate video review. I will give you honest review of that. So this is cleansing, and another second things, because it's a 6 packs pack things, and I have received 6. This is second is clear white lighting toner, you see. And third thing is, yes, very important, this is Optimal's clear white lighting eye cream. This is very important because we always apply cream in eyes or under the eyes, same cream. This is not good. So this is the eye cream which we have to use under the eye, and we feel very nice. And I will show you. Glass container, and you can see I have used every day. Very nice, lovely. I love this, and I feel something is improving in my skin. And third thing is, this is Optimal's clear white lighting serum. Oh my god, very nice. You can see pumping style. You can press, I show you tiny spot. I adjusted. So creamy textures, very nice, because I have already told you I'm using these product last 5 days, and I feel confident, and I will give you review, honest review. And first thing, this is the Optimal clear white lighting day cream, and this is Optimal clear lighting night cream. Same process होगा, but if you are using at daytime, so you have to use day cream, and if you are using the same process in night time, so you have to use night cream. I will show you, open you. Yeah, so nice container, glass container, and as I told you, I am using, you can see that it's open, and I use every day. Very nice, lovely. And this is another, wow, I really love this shape and size, and this is moisturizer, Love Potion body cream, and इसका जो मेजरिंग है वो 150 ग्राम है, एंड लवली. अभी मैंने इसे ओपन ही किया है बिकॉज मेरे को जो नीड थी, मैंने फटाफट, अभी मेरे पास ना पहले का पड़ा हुआ था, तो मैंने इसको ओपन नहीं किया. और 2-4 चीज़ें यार मैंने उसको ओपन करके यूज़ भी कर लिया है, बिकॉज कांट कंट्रोल, and I'm late to make this video, I'm sorry, but really this is very nice, and I'm very happy with these Oriflame products, and बस इतना ही. और yes, if you want to do this business with me, contact me. If you have any inquiry, I will give the number, so you can ask me what is business. And thank you so much to watching my video till end, and subscribe my channel and bell icon भी दबा, जिससे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे, क्योंकि मैं आने वाले टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा वीडियो डालने वाली हूँ बेस्ड ऑन दिस. एंड oh sorry, I forgot one thing, just wait. In this parcel I have received two catalogs which I ordered. This is one is based on April, you can see 21 April, you can see all the things mentioned in this catalog. So this is very helpful for see all the products price code, and this is another I get it free in my order, and this is May, for May month, you can see May. So I will show you some inside like this. This is free of cost in my order, very nice, all the product are mentioned here. Thank you so much to watching my video till end, एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, बेल आइकन भी दबा देना जिससे आपको आने वाले नोटिफिकेशन का पता चल जाए, बिकॉज बहुत सारी वीडियो मैं अब डालने वाली हूँ. एंड बाय बाय, लव यू ऑल.